First, ensure your Firestick 4K is connected to your TV and to the internet. From the Firestick home screen, navigate to the Find or Search option, which looks like a magnifying glass. Type Spectrum TV into the search bar using the on-screen keyboard or voice search via Alexa. Select the Spectrum TV app from the search results. It's developed by Charter Communications. Click the Download or Get button. The app is free to download. Once downloaded, click Open to launch the app. This process makes your Firestick capable of streaming live TV, on-demand content, and recorded shows. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. At least 25 Mbps is recommended for HD streaming and 50 Mbps for 4K. Now that the app is installed, open the Spectrum TV app on your Firestick. You'll see the Spectrum logo with a play button. When you open the app, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can use your Spectrum username and password. Alternatively, activate the app via a code on spectrum.net. Visit the website and enter the code shown on your Firestick. After signing in, you'll see the Spectrum TV interface with options for live TV, on-demand content, and DVR. Navigate channels using your Firestick remote, browse live TV, on-demand movies, or access recordings. Use Alexa for voice search, like Alexa, play ESPN on Spectrum TV. Remember to check for app updates regularly for optimal performance. Enable two-factor authentication for added security.